Thank you for joining June's edition Health is Your Wealth Patient Education Session. This month we talked about respiratory health and improving your respiratory health. Now, to be honest, as many people are being vaccinated, the thought of respiratory health and improving it is sort of distant. And it's distant to me too, because I've never had problems personally with respiratory health. However, these classes are preventative. So I welcome you to join me in my health journey in becoming healthy and proactive instead of reactive. So in being proactive, we discussed about medical care and how we can work with our providers to receive the best care possible. And we talked about how nursing differs from medical care. Simple action is effective yet underestimated. Also, we explored together holistic care. A lot of people are really looking into natural solutions to care for their health. Care for your health is your responsibility. I am here to help you, to encourage you, and educate you to make wise decisions. Thank you for joining our class. I hope to see you next class. Care for the caregiver, and be sure to check out the entire respiratory segment in the video above. Thank you so much and have a good day.